If you think a week-long trip requires a checked bag, you are overpacking. Today I'm showing you how one carry-on bag turns into 25 distinct outfits for spring. No clutter, no stress, just the perfect travel capsule. I'm Serena, and this is my spring carry-on only travel capsule wardrobe. I did one of these videos for fall and it was a huge hit, so I will link it up here and down in the description for you if you want to check that one out. We're moving past the just-in-case clutter and focusing on high-performance fabrics and strategic outfit formulas. Everything you see here, including my shoes and a swimsuit, fits into one rolling carry-on suitcase. That leaves my personal item free for essentials. Today I'm partnering with Nomad Lane and their amazing Bento Bag personal item and a new product that I'm super excited to share with you. So what items are in this travel capsule wardrobe? I chose a palette of tan or khaki, cream/white, navy, and light blue. Plus, I have a couple of black items thrown in the mix as well. So that's my color palette. So here are all the items that will fit into that carry-on bag and will create 25 different outfits. For tops, I have this pointel polo top, this blue cotton cashmere lightweight sweater top, a white gauze button down, that's a must, a plain white tank, this khaki and white striped tee, and this navy rib knit crop tee. For bottoms, I have one pair of white jeans, two of those Athleta endless pants that I love. I've got them in this mushroom color as well as navy, and this khaki skirt. I've packed one dress in this capsule, and it is the Quince flow knit fit and flare dress. This Quince linen jacket, which is a recent find, but I'm already loving it so much. This white bomber jacket from Athleta. This is a stylish jacket, and for additional layering or tops, I have two of these beach sweaters from J. Crew. I've got this blue and white stripe and this ivory color. I also have my swimsuit and 4 pairs of shoes. Of course, I'll be wearing the most bulky pair on my feet for travel, but a pair of sneakers, a pair of heeled sandals, some comfortable walking sandals, and some very minimal leather flip-flops for the pool. Now, since the bento bag is going to count for my personal item on the plane, I'm packing 2 other purses. First, this woven leather Quince bag, and I'm packing this new bag from MZ Wallace. I love their bags. They're great for travel. This one is lightweight nylon, plus it has an exterior zipper pocket for your phone or to tuck your passport away. Now we're going to pack so I can show you how I get all this stuff into one carry-on bag. To get everything into one carry-on, I'm using a set of compression packing cubes from Amazon. And by the way, I will have everything linked in the usual places, either down here on the screen or just below the screen with the YouTube shopping links. Anything that I can't link through YouTube shopping will be further down in the description and in the pinned comment. But compression cubes are great to use because they take your items, you pack them in there, and then you can compress them to make them even smaller, so you're going to be able to fit more in your carry-on bag. So in this largest compression bag, I have rolled all my tops and that linen jacket and put them inside the compression bag. I zip it around to compress it, and they all fit. And in the next size down, I have all my pants in this one, plus that dress. The shoes I'm putting over on this zippered side of the bag so they don't, go everywhere. And I like to put my shoes at the bottom or kind of on the sides of the bag so the soles are not touching my clothes. You can use shoe bags, but that limits you a little bit in placement of things and fitting everything into a carry-on. So here I'm not using any. And yes, I still have room for my undies. In this bag, I've packed more than a week's worth of underwear, and in this compression bag, I have all the bras I could possibly need for a week of travel. I've nested my socks inside of this Quince woven bag. That's a little tip. Don't ever pack a bag empty. If you're taking another purse, put things in it, whether it's jewelry or socks or underwear or whatever. Tuck things down into your purse. And then this nylon Waverly bag from MZ Wallace, it can pack perfectly flat to save every inch of space. And I still have plenty of room for my swimsuit and a cover-up. If you need a separate cover-up, I can fit that in there, along with this mesh pool or beach bag. This is another Amazon find that I'll link for you down below, and it folds up to next to nothing. So you can just fit this in, wedge it in anywhere you have an extra spot. And as you can see, the bag zips up perfectly, and it's not even straining to zip closed. Now for the command center of the trip, the Nomad Lane Bento Bag. This was a bestseller on my channel last year, and it continues to sell. You guys love these. They are worth every penny. I'm using this as my personal item, and it is a game changer. Unlike a standard tote bag where everything just goes to the bottom and you're digging for things in a black hole, the Nomad Lane zips open and folds down the middle just like a suitcase. This front pocket is where the magic happens. There's a spot in here for my passport, my wallet, pens. I've got lotion, hand sanitizer. You can stick some snacks in there, and this key tether, so you don't have to go digging for your keys when you get back home. It comes with a TSA approved liquids bag and a tech bag for all your charging cords. These pouches have their own specific zippered pockets on top, so you can breeze through security without having to open the main compartment of your bento bag. There's a padded sleeve for my iPad or a laptop, and a thoughtful water bottle pocket on the side that zips away when not in use. And on the back side, there's this hidden little slip pocket right here. So that's the perfect place to maybe slip your phone if you don't have a pocket on your pants, or if you're going through security, you can keep your passport in that little slip pocket until you get through security, and then you can secure it away inside that front zipper compartment. It has two leather top handles and a detachable shoulder strap, so you can carry it three ways: in your hands, on your shoulder, or crossbody. But the best feature of all is the trolley sleeve, of course. It slides right over my suitcase handle easily, so I can glide right through the airport terminal one-handed. Now, if I were going away for just a weekend, I could use the bento bag alone, especially with these brand new Sato compression packing cubes. These were designed thoughtfully to fit the dimensions of your bento bag perfectly. So between the bento bag and the Sato compression cubes, you have a do-it-all one bag for your next weekend trip. You can get your bento bag and Sato compression cubes through the YouTube shopping links. They will either pop up here on the screen or be just below the screen in that shopping bar. And thanks so much to Nomad Lane for partnering with me on this video. And now let's put together some outfit combos using this capsule wardrobe. All these items will be linked either here on screen with the YouTube shopping links, just below the screen, or down in the description. First, the travel day look. This is my uniform for travel day. It's polished, but has four-way stretch. The white Jet Set bomber adds a crisp layer for a chilly plane, and the endless pants in this mushroom color make a chic tone-on-tone outfit. The bento bag keeps my travel wrap, my snacks, and my tech gadgets right under the seat in front of me for easy access during a flight. Now, if you're wondering about sizes I'm wearing in any of these items, all those will be listed out further down in the description. I'll have the item and what size I'm wearing in each thing. I call this next one the city tourist look. It's the pointel polo top, the white jeans, the cognac crossbody bag, and my bionic walking sandals. I chose a kick flare style of jeans for this travel capsule because they go with any kind of shoe. And this is a smart city tourist outfit. The pointel knit looks incredibly expensive, and the white jeans just scream spring. It's the perfect look for a day of sightseeing, museums, shopping, and lunch. And now this is just my travel capsule, so you have to adjust it for your activities and where you're going. If you're doing a lot more outdoor activities, you would have more athletic wear. If you're going to an amusement park, you would have more athleisure kind of wear. And if you're going to a beach resort, you would have more swimsuits, more things like that. So this is a capsule for me if I were going on like a city tourist trip, but you can adjust it for your needs. I call this next look the dinner and drinks. I chose that charcoal flow knit dress from Quince, the linen jacket, and these heeled sandals from Sam Edelman. So we're elevating this basic dress for evening. By adding these sandals and a structured layer like the linen jacket, you've transformed a travel staple into a dinner-ready ensemble. Another option, you could use a scarf or wrap like this travel wrap of mine for an elegant evening look. All these items are linked on the screen or down below. This next one I call the coastal resort look. It's this khaki skirt, the blue and white striped beach sweater, and these minimal leather flip-flops. And I'm carrying the gray Waverly bag from MZ Wallace. This is for those seaside days. These Tiki's flip-flops are so slim, they take up practically zero room in the bag. And carrying the Waverly bag on my shoulder keeps the look light and airy. For a more active sightseeing look, I've paired this striped tee, navy endless pants, and the MZ Wallace bag with its crossbody strap, because when I'm putting in 10, 15, 20,000 steps in a day, I also want to keep my hands free. You can add the linen flax colored jacket for a layer if needed. This Waverly bag in crossbody mode is perfect for your phone, wallet, and camera access. And this navy and flax color scheme is a modern classic that doesn't read touristy. Now these are just 5 looks. I have actually identified 20 additional outfits using just these pieces. I didn't have time to model them all. I'm showing some of them here while I'm talking, but my assistant and I have created a travel capsule guide for you, just like we did for the fall travel capsule. You can get all 25 outfit formulas, packing list, and links to all the items in my spring carry-on only travel capsule guide. I'll have it linked for you down in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks again to Nomad Lane for sponsoring today. If you're ready to be the most organized person at the gate, you can shop the Bento Bag and the Sado compression cubes, along with everything else, in the YouTube shopping links just below this video. And what are some of your pro travel packing tips? We all learn by sharing what we know with each other. So let us know in the comments section what your favorite travel packing hack is. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and until I see you in the next one, have a stylish day. Bye.